got new fans. We unboxed this one in the last video. We're gonna unbox this one. I unboxed it too late because I wonder what's inside. But this one has cracks on the box. Let's see. We got the instruction papers. Nice. And there's the blades. And there's the down rod. A bag of screws. No chains. Yeah. And I'll show you what's inside the other box. Okay. This is made in December of 2023. Yeah. There's the motor. And there's the canopy, light kit. Yeah. Instructions paper was a Horribly Flanagan 2 ceiling fan. 2023. Yeah. Which I didn't check the other day on this one because I don't know. Let's go. Put this back. Okay, instructions paper, and let's go close it. There we go. That's all the video. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Bye.